Hey guys, welcome to my video series on solving LeetCode problems one at a time from scratch, starting with the easy ones, going to the hard ones. And now we're going to remove duplicates from sorted string. Given the head of a sorted list link, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. Okay, so the list comes sorted, and then we just need to return it like that. Okay, if it comes sorted, then we know that the element, we can just look back at the previous element, or we can look at the element afterwards and know if we want to skip it or not. Yeah, okay, let's do that. So this is going to be helpful for me because I'm running locally. Whenever I do stuff, I'd rather have my VS Code. Oh yeah, this is from another exercise. Gone. So this is 83, remove duplicates. 83, remove duplicates. CD83 code. So solution. Now let me just copy this code over here, paste it here. Just importing this from typing. Pass. And now okay, solution of delete duplicates of now it's a bit of a headache to transform this into the list node thing that they have here. So it's going to be list node of val equals so 1 and list node of 1 and list node of 2, 2 and list node of 3 and list node of 3. So now, how do we do this? Okay, so current value is head dot val. And now while true, I'll figure out when to break afterwards. So while true, let me just put the interpreter here so I know that the camera is not blocking code. So while true, if current value, if head dot next, well, if head dot next, so it's not a none. Oh, let me just do this. Is none break, and we can just return. Actually, I don't even need a curve value head. Oh, yeah, I don't even need it. I can just go for the head. While true, head is if head next is none, break. And now if head dot next dot val equals head dot val, we say that head dot next equals head dot next dot next. Yeah. And why am I not getting autocomplete? Because I don't have types on the data. I think that LeetCode should do some stuff here just to make it better a little. Or not. So else we move on. Yeah, but I don't want to do head. There's none. Maybe I do. But I just don't want to change this value here. Okay, I don't want to think so much, so let me just do final results equals empty array, and this is going to be a list of else um, I can start with head.val else equals dot next final result dot append head.val. Now we can go to return final results. Okay, 1, 2, 3, great. I'm just going to convert this back into the structure that they want, which is list node, and that will be, yeah, but I don't really want to do that. Per head equals head. I wonder if I do this. I wonder if I do this, if I'm actually changing the head. Head 1, next 2, next 3. Yeah, I'm actually changing it, so I don't even need to do anything else. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Run. Submit. Yeah, non type. And yeah, head equals empty list. If not, head return none. Maybe. Bit weird, the empty list thing. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it works. Fine by me with these results. Thanks for watching.